Hey everyone! Do you want to deploy your Laravel application with powerful features? With xCloud, you can deploy Laravel projects with just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, log into your xCloud dashboard and click on New Site. Then choose your server and click Next to proceed. Now go to the Laravel tab to deploy your Laravel application. From here, click on the Clone a Git repository to import your existing PHP project. In the Domains tab, you have two options. Create a demo site to test and refine your app, or migrate to a live domain using Migrate to a new domain. For this tutorial, we'll use a demo domain, then click Next. Next, configure your PHP version, site user, and web root. Under Database Management, you can create a new database, add an existing one, or skip it altogether. We're going forward by creating a new database. Choose to create a new database. Fill in your database name, username, and password, or use the auto-generated ones. Click Next to continue. In the Git Repo tab, enter your repository URL and branch. Access the Git URL and branch name. Go to your Git repository and click on the drop-down button of the Code button. From here, go to the SSH tab and copy the URL of the Git repository. Then, find the branch name and go back to the xCloud dashboard. Add your Git repository URL and branch. Turn on Enable Push to Deploy to generate a deployment URL. This URL will be used for continuous deployment. Now, if you want to connect with your Git repository for auto-deployment, copy it. Head over to your GitHub repo. Go to Settings, then Webhooks under Code and Automation. Paste the deployment URL in the payload URL field. Set the content type to application/JSON. Now come back to the xCloud. Here you can specify any post-deployment commands in the deploy script field. For Laravel apps, xCloud provides some commands already. You can tweak or add your commands as well. Next, copy the public key from xCloud. Go back to GitHub, navigate to Deploy Keys under Settings, and add the key. Return to xCloud and click Next in the Git Repo tab. You're all set. Click the Start button to begin migration. You'll see the live progress as your site is deployed. Once it's complete, go to the site dashboard. From the Laravel menu, configure your application and environment as needed. And that's it. And that's how easily you can deploy Laravel applications successfully with xCloud. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!